Hi, I'm Anita from Crafts by Anita, and welcome to episode 36 of Anita's Vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, and join the Discord, the link to that is in the description below. And if you would like to purchase handmade items made by moi, you may do so at craftsbyanita.com. I also sell patterns. The link to that is on the same website. Anywho, best laid plans gone wrong. I did not do any of my errands today. I woke up with an incredibly massive headache, so I've been just sitting here. Managed to just sit and veg for a couple of hours. I worked a little bit on every one of my personal whips. The only things I didn't work on were the tutorial whips, and I have to get some of these personal ones done before I can even get back to that. I thought that dishwasher was done. I was wrong. Anyway, it's running in the background. I meant to run it earlier, but got sidetracked. So I worked through all of those, and I'm currently just going to sit here and work on the temperature blanket, trying to get it caught up. I've gotten 3 days done on the crochet one. I need to add day 3 to the knit one. Will it ever end? And I know I keep repeating this. I'll be so glad when these temperature blankets are done. That'll be 2 projects off my list after the first of the year. I don't know. I have my list somewhere. Let's see. Probably should. Oh, no, I don't. I closed it. Oops. But I have a. Oh, shit. It's on the desktop. It won't. I hate Windows 11. Even if there are projects on the desktop, it would show up in my recently used files. This one, it doesn't do that. So I gotta find my project tracker. There we go. I should probably put on there what's closest to being done. Well, other than the temperature blankets. The ones I can book through. That placemat. I mean, I could have sat and got that done, but I just didn't feel like it. It was just like, I don't want to go around and round and round right now. So I didn't. I managed to do 2 rounds out of 10. I think I'm on round 6. I have to look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm on round 6. Getting ready to start round 6. So it's just over there. And I found some leftover baby yarn that my daughter gave me that she used for the baby items we made her sister. So I found those. Of course, it's buried on my desk. What else is new? And put it into the basket. So I was like looking at what I had. I was like, man, I'm gonna run out of yarn before I get that done. No, I won't. I need 36. I've gotten 10 done, so I need 26 more blocks, and then I will go and get the border color yarn. So yeah, so my night, I managed to get the rest of this stuff, well, most of it. There's like a little table with some books on it I need to deal with, but as soon as I got done dealing with the stuff I had to do in the living room, extra stuff I didn't think I was going to have to deal with. Just let your mind. Anyway, that got taken care of. Some of the stuff I put in my room, the other stuff I put in the spare room. So I just need to get the stuff out of here for right now, so I can like have Thanksgiving without people tripping over boxes and nonsense. So we're getting that. I got that sorted mostly today. I just got that one little table I got to deal with, which I will do tomorrow. Yeah. I'm trying to think. No, I could still go do my laundry on Monday. Yeah, I don't want to try to do it on Saturday because weekends are just, those laundromats are super busy, and I just don't want to. I don't want to deal with that and the screaming and kids running amok. So I'm like looking for something I can use here to hook up to my kitchen sink, so I don't have to go to the laundromat. As long as it spins really, really well, I can hang them up in my bathroom to dry, or if they're really not that damp, I can just hang them up in my closet, which that's fine. I don't mind that. as long as it gets done. Yeah, you can see I'm kind of tired. I still need to get into the shower because I had a headache and sinus pressure, so allergies. Yay. I was hoping that would be over with. If it would stop being like 70, well, I didn't even think it even got to 60 today, but I stayed inside all day. I was not going outside, not with this pounding headache. I took some stuff for it after I ate dinner, so it's kind of subsided a little bit. So hopefully it'll stay that way and I can actually get some sleep. I wanted to sleep in, but I woke up before 9 a.m. this morning after going to bed past midnight. So, and the headache started then. I was hoping going to bed the headache would go away. Nope, it didn't. So, yeah, didn't quite do all what I wanted to do today. Would have been nice, but I didn't. With my head pounding, being in loud environments would not be a good idea. And dealing with uh, getting groceries and doing laundry, I was just like, it would have made my headache 10 times worse. Anyway, so I'm gonna stop for now, and I'll vlog again when I can. Maybe tomorrow, maybe not. Who knows? I don't have anything pressing that is on a deadline right now, so I don't have to worry about that. So I could probably do this a little more often. I also need to start, all the videos for this week are complete. Or excuse me, let me rephrase that. Last week are complete, which you should know if you watched them last week. I got them all done yesterday with the editing. I shot them Saturday night after I got home, and then edited them. Well, I edited the vlog, last week's vlog, Saturday night, and then I shot the other two Saturday, edited them both Sunday, and they're ready to go, as you should already have seen. You did watch them, right? Anyway, I gotta shoot stuff for next week. That way I can have, other than the vlog, that Thanksgiving week needs to be done. I'm by myself this week at work. I don't work Saturday, thankfully, but I've got a lot of stuff I've got to do. So I shall see you all in the next segment. So it is now November 19th. If you can tell, I have a cold. Fun. Hair's a mess. I don't really care. Anyway, so yesterday and today I only did one thing on my temperature blankets. I'm about 2 weeks behind. That's all I could do yesterday. I came home from work and my head just felt like a cement brick. It felt like it weighed a ton, so I was just like, that's all I could manage to do. So I was just like staring at stuff to occupy my time. So today did the same thing, did one day on my temperature blanket, and then decided, well, I ran out of yarn for my corner to corner car blanket. It's now sitting over there in timeout until I can get more scrap yarn. So I started working back on my queen size blanket, my little 2-round solid granny square blanket. It's going slow. I got yarn over here. I got yarn right here. 2 more things of yarn. Why does it go out of focus? Oh my goodness. 1 second. Hey, we can focus. Shocking. Anywho, yeah, so I've got two more colors of that to use, and then I can, like, all my floppy cakes I've stacked them up on my shelf. The more sturdy ones will get stacked like this. So floppy, sturdy. So I got 2 floppy ones sitting over there, 3rd one here. So I'm trying to, I put all the different colors into my giant big ass basket. And when I grab 5 out at a time, I do 5 blocks. Then I stack them away, grab the next ones, rinse, lather, repeat all the way around until I use up all the yarn that's actually in the basket. And then I will start with the big stack of floppy cakes and work it that way. So yeah, in order to me to get the yarn for the corner to corner blanket, I got to start working on this. My diagonal scarf is now my car project, so it's just chillaxing in my vehicle. I'll work on it again tomorrow.
So, I ordered myself a set of hooks on Amazon. Not these. These are the Clover Amore hooks. My daughter wanted them, so I got them for her. She will be picking them up Sunday when we have our Thanksgiving. But I decided on a set of these, and you can't really tell because it's the steel crochet hook set, Clover Amore. They're so small. And I'm like, these will save my hands if I want to work. What is that? What are those? What's in here? Hang on. I don't understand what this is back there. What? Give me a sec. Let me just open this well, maybe not real quick. I don't know what that is. Is that just something? What is this? Ooh! Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Let me just dump them out. Maybe. They're so small. What is this? I don't understand what this is. Are these like covers? Are these hook covers? Let me see. If I can figure out how to open them. I'm like, okay, that's weird. Let's not lose these. Let me take one out. Grab one of these. Okay. It's a little tube. It's closed off at one end. Well, hell. Awesome. I think I shall put these on all of them. And I need a container to house all these in. My little hook case I have isn't going to work for the ergonomic hooks. They're more for the inline, the straight metal hooks. Like, what the heck? Why doesn't it say that's in here? It says absolutely nothing. Oh, wait. Huh? Cap. They don't look brass to me. Is that what it is? I'm confused. Weird. It says nothing about the covers. Oh, it says includes caps. Okay. I've never had hooks come with caps before, so that is fun. Anyway, I'm going to cap all of these, and I will see you in the next segment. Yeah, so this vlog did not come out on the 23rd. As you can tell, my voice is still a little froggy. That's why no videos were released last week, because I lost my voice. It was like this, but worse. So I'm working on like a series of videos where I'm not talking, I'm just whipping. So that's going to come out. First episode will probably drop Monday. I'm going to put this out on Sunday. I don't know how this is going to work for Vlogmas, because talking like this is annoying. And it makes my throat sore. So I'm going to end this vlog for now. I don't know how I'm going to deal with Vlogmas at the moment. So I'm going to end this, and I hope you guys are doing better than I am right now. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.